kids! Today, let's learn bathroom words with Bunny. Are you ready?
This is a bathroom. Bathroom. This is a sink. Sink. This is a faucet. Faucet. This is a mirror. Mirror. This is a toilet. Toilet. This is a shower. Shower. This is a towel. Towel. This is a bathtub. Bathtub. This is soap. Soap. This is a toothbrush. Toothbrush.
Great job! You learned bathroom words today. See you next time. Bye-bye.